spray with ethanol and white. And sometimes the label. This is called Nano 4354 Advanced Nanomedicine Lab. This is an upper level undergraduate course. It's a combination of biology, chemistry, material science, physics, and that's why this program is within the Academy of Integrated Science. We're trying to bring state-of-the-art research into our teaching, and we are always reviewing our lab modules every year so that the students are keeping up with the research, with the application that is currently on the market or even at the front of the research. Here is your plasmid mixture. Okay. Today, the students are learning about how to do transfection. So mainly putting DNA plasmid into mammalian cells using different reagents to bring the DNA plasmid into the mammalian cells. Normally in research lab, people use something called liposomes, and that's a commercialized lipid reagents. And we used to do that for students in the past, but last year because of COVID, and then there's the Pfizer and the Moderna vaccine developed, and the students are interested in learning what are the components in those liposomes. So we designed this module where the students can actually fabricate the lipid nanoparticles. So the DNA plasmid is inside the lipid nanoparticles. So today we're using two different plasmids. So they have two ways to confirm actually those plasmids enter into the cell, and then they can be transfected into the protein they want. Even without the vaccine, in the past, liposome or lipid nanoparticles, what we are using today, is used a lot for cancer treatment. So people put chemotherapy drug into lipid nanoparticles. So they can enter into the cells, and then they can deliver the drug inside the lipid nanoparticles into specific part of the body. So for example, if a person is doing chemotherapy, sometimes they have hair loss or other side effects. That's because of the high dose of the chemotherapy drug they're using. So with those lipid nanoparticles, you are encapsulating the chemotherapy drug inside there. And then because of specific targeting agents you put on the surface that can direct those nanoparticles go to specific part, for example, the diseased area in your body. So that's another application of this, and that's where nanomedicine becomes very important and unique.